Yeah, sure. PSL Pass Perfect ngiphethe uchairman Jwaga Box.
Njaya game.
Leadership.
Bathi kuze kuse makhelwane sithakathana.
Yeah.
Yiso ngeso thina ne Sundowns.
Eye for an eye.
Ngiyashona uyafumbuka. Kuze kulamla igame yokugcina.
Yeah.
Ijwayele ukuthi ivule igap lento abayibiza long distance relationship. This time ayikho leyo nto.
Ayikho.
This time sila. Yebo la inzima kakhulu. Engakusho nje leadership.
Yes, remember.
Okokuqala okwenzeke namhlanje between abalandeli nama players. I'm not sure ukuthi kwenzekeni. Kodwa through my understanding, maybe kona action ebe wrong from kumalandini.
Engikubonile mina chairman kusho ukuthi there was a time igame aseyophela but kuma 70th minute uCM kusho ukuthi beka nokudelay iplay so ama fans bewakakhulu endlebeni yakhe so ama player Orlando Pirates ngathi awakuthandanga lokho babona ngathi mhlambe bamfakele unnecessary pressure nokubhuwa nje ama player.
Ngiyabonga mfoka meyiwa ukuthi usithatha usibeke sithombeni ngoba le social uJwaga Box umuntu ohlele egxume eshaya ingoma ngize ngibuzwe izingane mangifika endlini sengigwara baba Korebani ngithi hayi nina benibukela iTV nizongitshela angazi ngithi nina benibukela iTV nina ngizongitshela abantu abami ukuthi kuKorebani enginga advisor kubadlali bePirates don't take it personally abalandeli balaki customer always right. No matter situation is difficult kanjani. Remember, abalandeli is volunteering to buy the ticket, to give them support. Extend nasebubini. Akusho ukuthi makhona into ebhlungu ekuvelele umdlali. Pay revenge immediately. No. And ngicela abadlali ba understand into A1. We've got branches ehleli sifundisana. Thina siyazi ukuthi mafuna ukushaya into esenza njani. Maybe abakaze bahlale phansi neOrlando Pirates management baba address. Ukuthi once laba bantu bathukuthela noyibona action yabo. Thina sinayo action yase stadium. Siyazi lapho indaba zethu sizikhuluma khona nama players. That's why ngithi angazi kule game because kuma big revivals there's a vice versa. Last week I heard that amalandeli beKaizer Chiefs bebe ne march to Nashurena. Yeah, today I'm surprised ngibona abadlali bethu bethuba thina ngithi awu. Last week bakwabalandeli belwisa imanagement Chiefs. Today abadlali bePirates balwisa abalandeli. Kanti kwenzakalani la kushuthi kunoSatan. All in all ngingathi to the players, to the supporters, please guys, let's try ukuba sibe under one umbrella, under Orlando Pirates Football Club. Must support ibhola. Lento inama terms awu-3 or ama rules awu-3. If football in a win, in a lose, in a draw. Wonke lokhu kuyenzeka and then kumele uaccept. Yes, somehow ngoba sabantu sinako lokukwata but at the same time kwathi uphinde reserve ukhumbula ukuthi mangabe wena uzobhuwa or uphose itshe emidlalweni wakho ngabe usamsupporta noba usuyamlimaza. Ingawo ngithi ngiyabacela nabadlali i-revenge fast njengana lenzekile engaphindi yenzeke ngoba tomorrow abalandeli mabengasezi stadium bekhalela imali zabo kuzoba buhlungu kuzoba buhlungu leyo nto akumele kube yiso ngeso la khona amaphutha both of them ashwelezeni esibuyeni siqhubekeni siyeni phambili ama players anawo ama mistakes abalandeli benawo ama mistakes akufunakala ke ukuthi sithi sithanda iPirates imlandeli without fear or favor lot uthi ngibasupport mabe against team yabo but umlandeli une life contract une life contract, not short contract. And umlandeli kwa Paris akazelanga mali, akazelanga ukuzokondla ingane zabo ngomsebenzi awuthole kwa Paris. Uze ngothando, uthando lokuthi yena spende imali yakhe for ukukhasa abadlali nokusupporta i-team yakhe. Ingakho ngithi angithandi isongeso between abalandeli nabadlali beParis. Ngicela ipeace kuleyo ndawo. Into yenzeke namhlanje njengosibeka ukuthi ungenzeka ukuthi lo msindo usuke ngosiyema. Bekhona bebengitshela ukuthi kangazi ukuthi uSipho Shane ngathi no thina kwazi sishayela ingoma into eziningi asezinaki. Can you imagine isentelani ishaya ingoma, behind the pose ishaya ingoma, abanandaba zokubhuwa abantu egcileni mase kumele ukuthi uzoshaya izandla kubona ukuthi thanks, sekumele bafele abantu abenze okurongo. That's why ngithi next time ngiyacela both of them ungasenzeka lokho, sibambanani njenge team singazibonisa izithu ukuthi kwenzekeleni ku 90 minutes. Bafowethu ngamashows wenu ngicela uNkulunkulu anibusise ngoba esikhulumayo kumele kwakhe abadlali bethu, kumele kwakhe abalandeli bethu, kumele kwakhe imanagement yethu. For love of Orlando Pirates ngithi umdlalo wanamhlanje lokho ube muhle kakhulu. Bengi-expectile vele ukuthi ama-Rich Boys azosinikeza i-tough time. Remember ama-Rich Boys asuka kwi-team ebeyinzima athathe u-3 point eMhlathuze, athathe u-3 point kuMhlathuze eze ne-confidence la esigodini azothatha omunye. Into ebabhidile bathe mabefika la amagama asashintsha, bathe bathi babheka kathiwa sende Orlando Amstel Arena. That's why siphume no-3 point wethu. As far as I'm concerned, lo 3 point sizoqhuba until to the last of the game. Ngithi mapakaniya ibambeni ama-players wethu, management yethu ibambeni sokukubi manje. Mase sithi kubi 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 yo siyaya 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 kupa kubi 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 yo siyaya 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 no babe setubona besishaya saya noma kubi 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 yo siyaya ngithi noba kubi Sundowns siyaza kuwena le Betway kumnyama kubovu siyayifuna eyethu. Thank you very much.
Salute member, thank you bafethu, please subscribe.